my name's Amanda and I'm going to be unboxing your August Teacher Care Crate. And this month you're going to receive a mailer full of fun. And this one was designed in a collab with Callie Danielle, and the theme is called Choose Kindness. So when you receive your box, you're going to get a whole bunch of fun goodies, but you're also going to get a slew of fun digital downloads that I will go over at the very end of the video, so stay tuned. The very first thing that you're going to be greeted by with all the fun this month is an info card. And this month is Choose Kindness, and this was designed with a collab with Callie Danielle, and you're going to find your monthly art print, a Be Kind journal, lanyard, scrunchies, a greeting card, decal stickers, and of course, all your fun digital downloads. So let's get unboxing. Of course, the first one that you're going to get is a lanyard, and you're going to get one of two, and this one that was sent to me is the smiley face one, but there's also a coffee print one that might be in your box, so that's a fun little surprise that you will receive. But again, super cute, love the colors, and every teacher needs a lanyard, so this is the perfect back to school box for you to get. You're going to get a choice of scrunchies. I received the super cute one, the teal with all the fun teacher things on it. It's got rainbows, it says keep shining. So you're gonna get a fun scrunchie this month. You're also going to get fun decal stickers. This one has two teeny tiny ones. The first one is a super cute little coffee cup, and of course, the signature Callie Danielle smiley face, so fun to put somewhere. And you're also going to get the one that says make today count. You're also going to get a fun little gift. So if you join with the Callie Danielle, you're going to get as a special gift your first month for just $1 if you pick any of her 3 subscriptions with code TeacherCareCrate. So again, the crate that just keeps giving. I can't wait to show you her digital downloads. You're going to get your art print, and this one is so pretty. I love the colors. Happiness starts with you. And on the back, of course, you could write a note and use this as a gift for somebody. You're going to get a kindness journal. Love the colors. I love that it's bound this way. It says be kind, louder for the people in the back. And so of course you're going to get your fun little journal to go through this school year for your teacher journey. You're also going to get a fun greeting card that's designed You Rule. I love the colors. I love the gold decal, like shimmer, and it's blank inside, so you can write and gift this to anybody that you need. So again, fun to have at your desk for whenever you need a greeting card. And you're going to get hand sanitizing wipes, which have fresh aloe in them, so they're great for sensitive skin as well. So you have all the fun that's going to come in your mailer this month with the Choose Kindness collab, but you're also going to get so many fun printables. And so one of the digital downloads that you're going to get is a Callie Danielle Happy Pack, and that's just for teachers, and of course it includes all your fun wallpapers. You have your monthly calendars, you have a weekly calendar. Again, it's a digital download, so you can print what you need. You can have all kinds of teacher notes, and of course, you're also going to get some fun coloring sheets. You're also going to get access to a Callie Danielle class pack, which includes all kinds of printables for your classroom. So if you're heading back to school this month, you can have some fun alphabet letters to choose from. And so these are some of the letters that you could print. You're gonna have access to banners. You're gonna have access to borders. So you have so many cute ones to choose from. You're also going to get some little cutouts that you can use and put around your classroom, nameplates that you can use as well. So of course, your Callie Danielle and Teacher Care Crate for August box is full of so many fun things. So definitely check it out, like and subscribe, and we can't wait to see you back for our